Hello, welcome to the Forex AI Signals, your #1 YouTube channel for daily Forex signal. Our Forex quote by Joe Vidic: limit your size in any position so that fear does not become the prevailing instinct guiding your judgment. Trading signal for April 11, 2023. Strategy. Price action AI. Major confluence, smart money concept, demand, and supply zone. Technical analysis. Higher time frame, entry opportunity. Lower time frame, currency pair. US dollar to Japanese yen. Trading bias. Buy/long. Entry price. 134.018 for conservative trader. 133.853 for aggressive trader. Stop loss. 133.512. Take profit 1. 134.392. Take profit 2. 135.082. You can add a trailing stop of 25 pips to your trade. However, it's entirely optional. The trade signal is valid till the end of the trading day and powerful for scalpers, intraday or swing traders. It is suitable for your individual or prop firm account by applying proper risk management. In Forex trading, a sell signal for US dollar to Japanese yen means that a trader believes that the value of the US dollar will decrease in relation to the Japanese yen. This can be based on a variety of factors, including economic indicators, political developments, and market trends. When a trader sells US dollar to Japanese yen, they are effectively borrowing Japanese yen to sell in exchange for US dollars, with the expectation of buying back the Japanese yen at a lower price in the future to make a profit. Traders should always do their own research and analysis before making any trading decisions and use risk management strategies to minimize potential losses. The content is for informational purposes only. You should not construe any such information or other material as investment, financial advice. Nothing contained on our video constitutes a solicitation, recommendation, endorsement, or offer to buy or sell any financial instrument. We expressly recommend that you seek advice from a professional. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the YouTube channel for more daily Forex signals latest by 9 p.m. EST. Kindly join our free Telegram channel from the description. See you tomorrow. Enjoy your pips.